This is going to be a quick and easy video showing you how I finish leather with leather balm and atom wax. And by quick and easy, I mean it's quick if you don't count the hours of driving time. For this example, I'll be using a scrap piece of veg tan leather because, let's face it, no one wants to risk their good leather on a YouTube tutorial. First, you need to dye your leather. Use whatever dye you prefer. I'm not here to judge your life choices. I'm using Angelus leather dye today, which is actually an alcohol-based dye. It gives a nice even color and dries faster than my patience for waiting. You're going to want to let this dry completely. Seriously, this is non-negotiable. Depending on how ambitious your project is, you might need to let this sit overnight. Yes, overnight. That's right. Welcome to the thrilling world of leather crafting where half the job is waiting around for things to dry. Skipping this step is a rookie mistake, so don't do it. Next, it's time to apply your finish. I like to use leather balm with atom wax because it's the Switzerland of leather finishes. Perfectly neutral, it doesn't go overboard on water resistance, contrast, or sheen. Instead, it strikes a balance that gives your leather a professional look without altering its natural character too much compared to other methods of finishing. Use a microfiber cloth or something equally soft. Trust me, scratching your leather with the wrong cloth is the kind of regret you don't recover from. Pour some balm onto the cloth and apply it liberally. More is better than less because fixing uneven coverage is a pain you don't want in your life. Let it dry for about 15 minutes, which is practically instant in leatherworking terms. Once it's dry, grab another microfiber cloth, a dry one this time, and polish your leather. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the color get richer and a nice light sheen appear, and you'll feel like you actually know what you're doing, at least for a moment. And there you go. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, you've got a beautifully finished piece of leather, and if you follow these steps, it won't look like you found it in a discount bin at a craft store. If you're working on a wallet or anything with tight corners, apply the finish before stitching. Trust me, trying to get into those crevices afterwards is the kind of frustration that makes people quit hobbies. If this video helped you, or if you just enjoyed my humor, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback or answer your questions. Check out the leather goods I have for sale at puredleather.com, and don't forget to subscribe for more leatherworking content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.